If y'all are seeing me for the first time, my name is Tracy. I'm the creator and I run our YouTube channel, but I also am the author of our blogs. And if you want like a readable tutorial version of a lot of our videos of what we're all about here at 4D Farms, we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. You can catch us on our blogs at 4dfarms.blogspot.com and 4dfarms.wordpress.com. Hey y'all, I'm going to make a little disclaimer about this video here at the beginning. One day I used my MasonTops Fermentation Kit and I brought it with me to practice on making some fermented foods for me and my mother, or me and my family and my mother, to see if we liked them. And I was also doing this for a tutorial on our blogs that I have to go on our canning and preserving page. So instead of videoing the process of making them and visually doing a video of the chopping of the vegetables and everything, filling the jars and everything, all I did was take pictures because I was using these for blog purposes. This first part of the video is going to be showing you the after effects of me taste testing when I made gingered carrots and I made curry sauerkraut and some kimchi. Now, the kimchi I had already been eating on because I liked it so much, and I didn't even get to get a jar of that out and even show you how to taste test that, but trust me, it was good. But I am opening up the jar of the gingered carrots and the curry sauerkraut to show you what they looked like after they had been fermenting and sitting in a cool, dark place for a month. So 4 weeks I let these ferment. Now we're going to get into taste testing and letting you hear the crunch and see what they're like, and if I needed to make any adjustments or anything, or if we liked it the way it was. So y'all stay tuned and watch. At the end of the video, I will post all of the pictures in a slideshow showing you the process, what they look like in the jar, and how I was doing it, that I used those pictures in a blog post for our 2 blogs. In the description box below this video, I will go ahead and I will post the recipes and the instructions of how to use these if you don't have the kit or something like that. I will put each individual recipe in the bottom and the instructions. You may have something that you use as a pounder. You may have some kind of weight that you can use to already go inside your jar. So I'll just post the recipe in the description box below this video to help y'all out. Now, if you get the fermentation kit, these recipes are in the book that comes inside the kit. But I'll help y'all out a little bit, and I will put each recipe in the description box below this video to where all you got to do is just go and write it down, okay? So, let's get started taste testing these. It's been a month since they've been fermenting. Now we're going to taste test them, and let's see what happens and how it goes, okay? Okay, y'all. Do y'all remember all the fermented things we made about 4 weeks ago? I made the sauerkraut or the kimchi. We've already been eating on it. Dear hubby didn't care for it too much, but I've been eating off of it on some fish tacos, or just to have as a side for something, or just maybe along with some lunch. Now it is time, it's been the allotted time later to try the curry sauerkraut and the carrots, okay? So I'm going to open these up. First, I'm going to set them down because they're heavy. I got them out of their little hiding spot, you remember? Now we're fixing to taste test them, okay? Y'all excuse my few little dirty dishes. I have been baking bread. All right. Took me a little bit to get this one loosened up because, y'all, these have been fermenting for a month now. All right. I'm just going to throw these over in the sink and I'm going to take the weight out. Nothing is moldy. Nothing. Y'all, that actually smells good. That curry just hits you right in the face. Nothing's moldy. Purpose for these. Let me get a little bowl down. We're going to try the curry first. This will go with like some Japanese meals, y'all. Chinese meals. Curry, sauerkraut. And y'all, this is going to be gut beneficial because this has been fermenting. Oh, yeah, baby. Let me get some out because I don't want to double dip in case I like this. Oh, let's look at this. I probably should have got a spoon. I'm sorry, y'all. Should have got a spoon to get this out, and I don't want to make a mess either. I smell the curry. Okay, I'm just going to get enough for taste testing. Now, when I get ready to put this in the refrigerator, I'm going to put a plastic lid on it. All right, now we're going to do the same thing with the carrots. Sorry. Oh, look at that one. Let's remove the lid. Where'd the lid go? Oh, it's down in the bottom. Ah, I'm making a mess. Okay, here we go. Whoa, look at that, y'all. Let me give this a little stir. Because you remember that's got ginger. Oh, these are the ginger carrots. So it's got the ginger. Oh, y'all, I'm smelling that ginger too. I'm just going to get one out of here. And y'all, I've never made these before, so we're going to see if we like them today. So let me get, I don't want to stick my hand in there. Let me get a carrot up. We're going to taste test this one first. And y'all, if you don't like them, like I tell my kids, how do you know unless you try it? You can't always go by the looks of something. I had a kid, y'all, and still he's this way still. If he don't like the way something looks, nah, I'm good. My youngest one will try anything. Let's try the ginger carrot first. Woo! That ginger packs a punch. The red pepper flakes gives it that heat, y'all. I'm not a spicy person. So if I make these again, I may just do half of the pepper flakes. It's got heat. Oh, that ginger, y'all. I might back down just a tad on the ginger. And back down a tad on the salt. Not do half, but go down like an eighth. Because I'm not a spicy person anymore. I used to could eat hot foods, jalapeno peppers, just no problems. Now, it don't agree with me. But as far as the taste, once I adjust it to get the right ratio, And y'all, they're still crunchy. Now so I know I need to tweak this. I'm going to go, excuse me, I'm going to go get my book, and I'm going to go down about 1/8 on the salt, the red pepper flakes, probably half on the red pepper flakes, and 1/8 on the ginger. So I can adjust the recipe. The crunch is there. The wow taste is there. This will go good like fish tacos. Yeah, I do like that. It's just too spicy for my taste. And the ginger is just a little overpowering to me. Now, if you like ginger, you're going to like this. Now, let's try the curry sauerkraut. Ready? Ooh. That's crunchy. That's still crunchy. Still tastes like sauerkraut, just with a curry overbite. Fish tacos. Side dish with some salmon. Y'all, these are not bad. I'm going to adjust that recipe. This one's actually good. I think I can actually back down on the salt just a tad. Dear hubby's not like a really strong sauerkraut, like makes you pucker. So I think to adjust it for him, back down on the salt just a little. So I'm going to adjust both of these recipes. You never know till you try something. And if you do taste it and you're like, I need to make some adjustments, make those adjustments. I'm going to go write these down in my book before I forget. And then eat these up, start some more fermenting. I may start some more sauerkraut. No, I tell you what I want to try next. Where's my book? Let me get my book. Oh, let's see. Let me get my book out of my box, y'all. And this will go good because I'm fixing to have to adjust it anyway. I want to do... Let me show y'all what I wanted to do. So we made kimchi, white kimchi, but I had purple cabbage, so mine was kind of purple kimchi. And I still like it, y'all. It's heavenly on a bologna sandwich, a deli sandwich. It's good on that too. This is what I want to do next. The fermented, y'all, I don't know how to pronounce it. Gingered I don't know, y'all, but that. I want to make it. See? Do you see? I want to make that. I see this in the grocery store all the time. Over there with the olives and the roasted peppers and the pickled everything in that little group. And it's got all those little mixed vegetables. I want to try this next. That's going on the grocery list. What do I need? Cauliflower, carrots, celery. Think I got some celery left in there. Shallots or pearl onions, garlic, bomb peppers, whatever that is. I don't know what bomb peppers is. I don't know. Or other chilies. 2 bay leaves, black peppercorns. The brine is just salt and water. I want to try this, y'all. I do want to try this. Those bay leaves. Oh, that's going to put some flavor. It's hard to grow bay leaves, y'all. It is. It's like a bush. And it takes like a couple of years for it to really get established. That's going on the grocery list. These items, except celery. I think I've got some celery left over. I'm going to try this next. I hope my mommy likes these. I don't think she's gonna like, I don't think she likes sauerkraut. I'm gonna have to come out with something for my mommy. But she may like these carrots. I don't know. I'm just trying, y'all. But I know I like them. So this just gives me something extra to play around with, y'all. When we're canning and preserving and fermenting now and all that good gut stuff. Okay, I like this. I'm gonna write these adjustments down, and that's some fermented vegetables, y'all. Y'all go get y'all one of these. It's in our Amazon store. Play around. It's on our kitchen essentials list, and it's also on my canning and preserving. More than likely, you're gonna find this on the canning and preserving. It just makes more sense. That's how I designed all the lists in my store. Our Amazon store link is always in the description box below this video. Okay? Catch it. Go get one of these and just play with your food and get you some good gut bacteria going. I will see y'all in the next video.